Welcome to Brilliant Info Systems, delivering intelligent, automated, guided vehicle solutions that transform material transportation through smart warehouse and manufacturing automation. Manual material handling often creates delays, forklift congestion, safety risks, labor dependency, and higher operational costs, reducing overall warehouse and factory efficiency. Our AGV solutions combine process consulting, intelligent route planning, fleet management, traffic control, and seamless integration with warehouse management and manufacturing execution systems. AGVs automatically receive transport tasks, navigate predefined routes, collect pallets, cartons, raw materials, or finished goods, and deliver them safely to the right destination without manual intervention. From inbound logistics and ASRS integration to production line replenishment, work-in-process movement, dispatch staging, and finished goods transport, AGVs keep operations moving efficiently. AGVs follow predefined routes for reliable and repetitive transportation, while AMRs use intelligent navigation to dynamically avoid obstacles and adapt to changing environments. Organizations achieve faster material movement, improved workplace safety, higher productivity, reduced forklift dependency, lower operating costs, and complete real-time fleet visibility. Brilliant delivers digital supply chain software for warehouse management, warehouse control, order management, delivery management, third-party logistics, manufacturing execution, enterprise asset management, real-time location tracking, and AI-powered analytics. We accelerate Industry 4.0 with automated storage and retrieval systems, digital engineering, digital twins, simulation, emulation, PLC programming, warehouse automation, conveyors sortation, automated guided vehicles, and autonomous mobile robots. Our industrial hardware portfolio includes RFID, Bluetooth Low Energy, LoRa IoT sensors, barcode and identification systems, mobile computing. Our Brilliant Light solution includes pick-to-light devices, weighing systems, load cell validation, and automation hardware. With headquarters in Pune, manufacturing facilities in India, worldwide channel partners, deployments across more than 9 countries, and dedicated 24/7 support, Brilliant delivers consulting, implementation, and lifetime customer success. Brilliant, engineering the future of smart warehousing and industrial automation.